They didn't have any. Although I don't believe that.
And you're not allowed to give Tylenol until they're 2 months.
Oh, okay. That's probably why then.
If they had a fever,
No, he didn't have a fever.
you
He
should have
didn't. I was just buying it for.
You should have come to us.
He never had a fever. I was just buying it to have it if he ever had a fever.
All right.
He's been good so far.
You passed your first 2 months. Great. You didn't get sick. Good. Why are you doing that? Don't put your face down. Okay. Let's see. Let's see your ear. Okay, this way. This way. Yeah. Hold on. Big boy. Yeah, you're a big boy. Big healthy boy. Stay that way, okay? Don't get sick. I only want to see you on physical. Okay. Alright. He's so cute. Look, Daddy's taking pictures. He's so cute. It's nice to have pictures at that age. Don't blind him, Dad. Oh my gosh. You can put on this shirt, Mom, because we need a tie.
Put your clothes back on. He's a big boy. Hey. Hey. Can put that in your mouth.
So I'll come back, Mom. I'll give you a prescription for Tylenol, and then I'm going to give you an appointment for the baby.
Okay.
And the baby's 4 months. 4 more.